Hey guys, welcome to another video episode of CoinSutra, and today video is for all the users who are using Ethereum wallet like MetaMask, Rainbow or anything. And let's be honest, are you tired of constantly checking your wallet for incoming transaction? Or are you worried about unauthorized access? Well, in today's videos, I'm going to show you a simple trick to get instant email notification when your wallet sends or receive Ethereum, a token, or even an NFT. So whenever you are receiving or if your wallet is sending anything like that, you will get email notification. And this is a feature which is desired by so many users, but unfortunately there is no default feature in MetaMask or similar wallets. And that's because of the decentralized nature of these wallets. But of course, since everything is public, everything is on the smart contract, one can build such tools which will give you notification. And today we are going to be talking about one such tool called EtherScan. Now, many of you might be aware of EtherScan as a blockchain explorer. Basically, you can add any wallet address here, for example, this one, and you can check all the activity around this wallet, right? So this is some random wallet, and you can see all the activities around this wallet. Now, using this, EtherScan offers a feature where you can track the notification, track the activity of any wallet, and get notification whenever that wallet is sending or receiving any fund. So to do that, the very first thing you need to do is go to the EtherScan, click on login over here, and create an account. It's free to use, so you can just simply create an account. Now, once you have created an account, this is where you can see your account. You can simply go to your account and click on my profile, or account my address, and you will be seeing a screen like this. Now search for this option called watch list, and here click on add, and now here you can enter the Ethereum address which may belong to you or somebody else that you want to monitor, and you can add a description. For example, this is CoinSutra test, and then you can define what kind of notification do you want. You want to get notified on all the transaction, or you want to get notified only on the incoming transaction. And you can define if you want to get notified for other token transfer also, like for example ERC20, ERC721 and ERC1155 token. And once you're ready, just click on continue, and that's it. Now this is added. Now there is a public name tag attached to it called beaver build, and notification is email. And if anyone want to if anytime you want to disable, you can just simply click on edit to make changes, or you can delete this notification from here. Now the email address that you have used to create an account on EtherScan, that will be used to get the notification. Now, if you are worried about, not, you don't want to become so public, well, then in that case, you can use this email service called protonmail.com, and you can access this website by going to proton.me. And most of the degens, most of the people who want to be anonymous or pseudo anonymous, they use Proton email to create their email account, because it does not track your usage like Gmail or other email service provider like Zoho Mail. So yeah, I mean, this is one quick trick which will help you to get, be aware if you are receiving any funds or token on your wallet, or if your wallet is being hacked, you will get email notification. I hope that that does not happen, but if that happens, well, this is the trick that you should be using. Now, thank you for watching this tutorial on setting up email notification on MetaMask, or you can use it for any other wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the CoinSutra YouTube channel. We share such insights, tips, tricks, and strategies that will help you to win in this race of cryptocurrency. With that, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. This is Harsh from CoinSutra.